It's getting things to work. What's going on, guys? Hope you guys had a fantastic new year, Christmas, holiday, whatever. Today's video, guys, I got you with some suspension parts. I got lowering springs and then the BMR back vertical links. It's for wheel hop, just in case when you're putting down power, you're trying to launch it from a dig, it doesn't hop with all the power going on. And since I have the procharger, it's best to do this. And yes, I know it's been a actually it's been a month. It's been a long time since I posted. Just to give you guys a little update. This is the old engine. The problem was piston rings in cylinder 4, which was this one over here. So the top piston ring blew and basically caused a whole bunch of smoke and a whole bunch of oil to go into the cylinders to get burned, and that's what was causing all the white smoke coming out of my catch cans, which you guys seen in the clip. And I still have the procharger off. It's right over there. It's just sitting there cute. Because I found out my tensioner is stripped, so I need to order a new tensioner from procharger, and parts are back ordered, so waiting on that part. And it's just been a bunch of stuff going on, so blowing up the engine really does a toll on you, and I just felt very down. But I'm back, so back to one video a week, whatever it is. I'm just going to try to put out a video, but we're going to be installing those BMR vertical links, and let's jump right into this video. And there she is. She's sitting there all nice and pretty. You're on camera. Alright, here's the BMR vertical links. They some hefty, way different than the factory ones. But that's what it is, so it's basically going to sit on your back of your tire and help the wheel hop. So let me go take up the tire and then I'll show you guys how to install this. Alright, car's all jacked up, got it off the things, and now we can get to the back things. I need to just take off the tires. And then I'll show you where the vertical links are. Yeah. My wheels off. This is what we're replacing. So focus, 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 focus. Okay, so this part right here, that part right there is what we're replacing. So we're taking this part and putting this on. So essentially it's gonna be sitting like this. So you can see how much thicker this is compared to that. Once when I get it off, it'll be easier, but you just take off this bottom bolt and you take off that bottom bolt. We're gonna put this on and it's gonna add in a lot more strength to the back of this whole compartment. And soon, probably next week, I'm gonna be replacing the springs. I'm gonna be putting in that lowering springs. Look at that bike. I think I'm gonna put on the GoPro just so I can show you guys, take it all off. So let me go do that. Okay, so we're gonna be taking off this bolt right here. What size are you? 15? Oh, so good. Under this. There we go. Should be supported. Okay, that's loose. Oh yeah, I got this nice toolbox too. Try this. Yep. A big ass bolt. Huge ass bolt. Damn. Ow. Okay, so now let's compare it. Yeah, look at, so just a comparison. Look at that. Just look how thicker this one is. This one weighs way more. This one's just flimsy. Yeah, dude. Yeah. Definitely. Good upgrade. Well, the videos I've seen. Nope. Okay, so once when you have the bolts in, I have it in. I got this nice fancy torque wrench from my mother-in-law. But you torqued 76 foot-pounds. The top one. There you go. That's it. And then the bottom one is 129. So gotta put it all the way up. Oop. 129, so that should be right about there. We'll put it down. Yep, here we go. And we're all Gucci. So that right there is gonna help a lot more than this shit. So if you look at it, look at that. Woo! Let's go. And then now you just do the same on the other side. So all right, switched over to my main camera, not the GoPro. Things in, boys. So yeah, just look at that difference. Look how thick that one is compared to the thickness on this. Yeah, that's crazy. But shout out to my girlfriend's mom. Bought me a torque wrench. That shit come in clutch. It's actually fun using it. Right. This side gave me a lot more trouble, but it's in there. So out with the old, in with the new. So it's all in there now. Really excited to see how these are actually gonna perform. I know with the lowering springs and this, it's a really good upgrade. So I'm excited. And these are the small ass ones we're replacing. Yeah, they're small compared to the other ones. Oh, I miss working on my car. Well, that's basically it. All it's supposed to do is just help wheel hop, basically where you can put power down and where you can basically race for a dig. It's like a drag setup. I'm just going because I'm going to be having a lot of power. Well, I shouldn't say a lot of power, but I'm going to have pretty good power, so I want a good back suspension. To show you guys what I'm waiting for, I'm waiting for this back part, this little pulley. So that guy right there, it's stripped. So the bolt that goes into this is just stripped. It just keeps spinning and spinning and spinning and spinning and spinning. See, it just keeps going. It gets like tight and it just keeps going. But that's basically what I'm waiting for. Alright guys, with all that, I hope you guys liked the video. That is the BMR vertical links installed. So now I can put power in the back and put those notification bells on because we're going to be installing these ones, lowering springs, 𝐸𝐴𝐵 lowering springs. So keep those notification bells on. Like, comment, subscribe. If you can believe it, you can achieve it. Oh, I haven't said that in a long time. See you guys later.